Electricity generation. Generators, how their generators are working. It's very simple. That is the principle of Faraday's law, electromagnetic induction. In this principle, the electricity is produced in two ways. That is, first, the magnet is stationary and conductor is rotating. And in the second case, or magnet is moving and conductor is stationary. So how it occurs? Just continue watching, you'll understand.
Energy. In the chapter of effects of electric current, we studied the concept called electromagnetic induction invented by Michael Faraday. Based on this principle, most of the electric power plants work. According to this principle, whenever the magnetic field around a conductor changes, a potential difference is generated across the conductor. There are two ways to change this magnetic field around a conductor. One way is to keep the conductor stationary and to keep the magnet rotating.
या पहिल्या प्रोसेसमध्ये काय आहे की या ठिकाणी हा जो कंडक्टर आहे, येस, दिस इज द वायर, कंडक्टिंग वायर, कॉपर वायर किंवा कॉईल असेल, आणि हा दुसरा जो आहे मॅग्नेट. तर या ठिकाणी मॅग्नेट हा मूव्ह होतो आहे, मॅग्नेट इज रोटेटिंग, पण कंडक्टर हा स्टेशनरी आहे. तर पहिल्या केसमध्ये या ठिकाणी मॅग्नेट मूव्ह होतो, कंडक्टर स्टेबल आहे, आणि त्यामुळे काय होईल, त्या ठिकाणी पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स तयार होतो. म्हणजे मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड चेंज झाल्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणी इलेक्ट्रिक करंट त्या ठिकाणी तयार होतो. सेकंड केसमध्ये काय आहे, या ठिकाणी मॅग्नेट स्टेबल आहे आणि कंडक्टर आता मूव्ह केला, पण मागे पुढे केला, मीन्स मॅग्नेट या ठिकाणी स्टेबल आहे आणि कंडक्टर मूव्ह होत असेल, तर त्यावेळेसुद्धा या ठिकाणी इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जीचं प्रोडक्शन हे होत असतं.
While the other way is to keep the magnet stationary and to keep the conductor moving. In both these ways, the magnetic field around the conductor changes. Thus, in both these cases, a potential difference is created across the conductor. The electrical power generating machine based on this principle is called electric generator. Such large generators are used in commercial power generation plants. A turbine is used to rotate the magnet in the generator. A turbine has blades. When a high-pressure jet of flowing liquid or gas is directed on the blades on the turbine rotates because of the kinetic energy of the flow. This turbine is connected to the electric generator. Thus, the magnet in the electric generator starts rotating and electrical energy is produced. Come, let us now quickly understand this method of electric energy generation with a flow chart. In order to generate electricity based on the principle of electromagnetic induction, a generator is required. To rotate the generator, we need a turbine, and to run turbine, we need a proper energy source.
So in this method, electric energy generation, how it take place? Energy source means maybe steam, maybe water, maybe air or any gas. The pressure of the steam or water is used to rotate the blades of the turbines. And this turbine shaft is axle is connected to the generator. Generator consists of coil and magnet. So in any one method, the generator, by the principle of electromagnetic induction, generator produce the electric energy. So this is the way of production of electric energy with the help of generator.
Based on the type of energy source used to drive the turbine, there are different types of power generating stations. Even the design of the turbine used in different types of power stations is different.
So the designs are different. This is suppose hydropower. The force of water, pressure of water is used to rotate the turbines of the generator and electricity is produced. That is called hydropower. Now Next video will study about the thermal power plants. How electricity is produced in a thermal power plant. Thermal means heat energy, means coal is burned and heat is produced. This heat is used to boil the water, steam is formed, and the steam is used to rotate the turbines. Turbines are connected to generator and generator produce the electricity. So next video you will have a study of thermal power plants.